Hey, good day. I welcome you all to this video where I'm going to show you how to increase the RAM memory of your system. The actual RAM for this system is 8 gig, but based on what I see on the screen, it shows that 5.72 gigabyte usage. Whereas I need to increase the usage size from 5.72. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to increase um, the RAM size of your PC. Okay, the first thing is that on your PC, search for run. Click on run. Okay, on run, search for mx config. Click on OK. Now click on boot. Click on advanced options. Now you have the number of processors to be 1. Just pick the one and change it to 2. And this one, which have the maximum memory, untick it. Let me take it again. It shows that the actual size there is 8.1 gigabytes, but when I untick it, it doesn't show anything. It means that it's going to increase the size of this um, memory. Just click on OK, click on apply, click on OK. You are asked to restart the system. This is the first method that you are expected to do. Just click on restart. If this one doesn't work for you, let me show you another method in which you can use to increase the speed size of your uh, system. Now, on this search bar here, search for advanced system. Click on view advanced system. As you have clicked on advanced system, under this advanced, click on settings. Here, click on advanced here. Now click on change here. Your own, you might have this automatically manage page file size all ticked. Just untick it and click on this no page inside file here. Click on OK. Click on OK here and click on OK. And the next thing is for you to restart your system. After you might have restarted your system, the size of the memory size would have increased to around 6 point or 7 point something gigabyte, depending on how your system function. Okay, I'm going to restart this system. I'm going to show in the next video how I was able to increase the size of. Okay, now I've restarted my system. Now let's now check the RAM of my system now to know whether the method in which we used worked. Okay, now um, boom, can you see it now? Before it was 5 point something giga usage, but it has moved to 6.95 usage now. Can you see it now? It means that this method in which I explain in this video work very well and perfectly. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video to your friends. Whenever it drops an awesome video like this, will be the first time to lay your hands on it. See you in the next video. Bye for now.